Hi there, welcome to Late Night with Teeny or Tinkers. It's a mess, and we're not talking about it too much. I'm just here because I have a doll to open, and I'm pretty sure it's the Frapzilla Delphini that I bought. Although it could be something else, but I'm almost certain it's Delphini. Just based on the size of the box. But again, I could be completely wrong and it could be something else. But I'm really excited to open it. And I didn't want to wait for our lives to be over. So I'm just going to open it and we're just going to do it. And yeah, I don't know where I was going with that. Also, quick side rant. I don't know why. Something about the orange and yellow sticker made me think of Taobao. I don't even think their logo is orange and yellow or red and yellow. I don't know why I thought it. But Taobao has officially made it absolutely impossible for me to pay for shipping with Visa. You have to have a Chinese bank account now. Like, I don't know how they think I'm going to do that. So even though I was going to buy myself a nice little treat from Taobao for being a brave little girl. It's a weird sentence. But even though I was going to buy myself a little happy something, I can't now. So I might have to explore Etsy. But I was really excited. There was so many like random things I wanted. Maybe I'll do like a big AliExpress thing, but I'll have to dig around. Anyways, all that to say, no more Taobao hauls for the foreseeable future. But oh, it's so resiny. Yeah, I believe this is my Delphini. It's so hard to tell though. I'm almost certain actually because I see the extra thighs. So when Frapzilla first had their pre-order, I got a Lupi. And I got the Lupi because I wanted to be twinsies with my friend Pablo. And then I got Lupi and I just had such regret for not getting Delphini. I also had like some bad feels because the pre-order like kept getting delayed and like the delivery and stuff, and there was like a bunch of stuff that kind of like went wrong in the beginning, and it kind of left me like feeling sad, but like I'm displaced from that sadness now and I still love the doll. So I went back and I did find a Delphini. So first, oh my god, it smells like resin so intensely. I don't understand. It's almost like it smells more like resin now than when I got my brand new one. Ooh, we got the single joint thighs. So this one does have both thighs. Or both sets of thighs. Both thighs would be. I would hope so. But these are the single joint ones. I actually can't remember if I liked the single joint or the double joint ones better. I feel like I preferred the single joint ones. But also, I found out that mine's knees were in like backwards and upside down or something, because mine couldn't stand, and it turned out that there was an issue with the knees that they remedied. So I hope this one has the remedied knees. Yeah, after all that, it was literally just like a stringing issue. But okay, this will be the body. Oh, and she's in the tan color. It's the exact same color I had before, but just a different head sculpt. I'm trying not to drop things everywhere. Hello, friend. And also before I was kind of like put off them because the head was so much smaller than I thought it was going to be. But now I don't care. My collection dolls are like very miscellaneous. Like I look up at the pile up there. So I'm just like, things don't have to look good together on a shelf. I can just like what I like. I do think she is more like 1/5 scale than like true MSD, but oh my gosh, she is very taped around her hands. Oh my god, I don't want to. This tape is so. Don't cut her. But I was really excited to find one. I was kind of hoping for a fantasy color. I'm not gonna lie, but in the end, I did get a tan one. There aren't many dolls I really want. I really like Ace of Dolls. new babies. Star especially, but I have a Hierophant. It's probably here already. There's probably a video on my main channel. I'm just filming a head down here for Teenier Tinkers. The timeline's a bit fuzzy over here, but I'm really, really excited for Ace's dolls. I was casually on the search for a Mervia Art Dolls Mela, but then I saw something called Woods Dolls Pandore, and I was like, ooh, I really like that one. And I don't know if they're both kind of the same vibe. I haven't quite decided. And I also wanted a Rose Che, but the secondhand prices on those make me cry. Like, I know I have a Rose Helm, but I paid retail for my Rose Helm on the secondhand market. So I will only pay retail for mine. Same as if I ever sold my helm, I would sell it for retail, but I'm not selling it, so please don't message me. But, because I love her. But I just can't justify it. So I'll just wait for Dust of Dolls to put out a new body or a new MSD, and I'll hop onto that. Hello, baby. I forgot how cute the hands are. I do really like the hands. I'm actually a little bummed. I never see Frapzilla post anymore, and I think they were one of my favorite artists. Like new emerging artists. I thought I liked the way they handled their socials. I felt they were really engaging. And then it was just like they dropped off the planet. I know they have a Discord. I'm in the Discord. But, yeah. I really liked seeing their stuff. But why is she chunkier than I remember? Weird. I, like, remember her being smaller. I have, it's the prototype body, but I have my, like, Junie's body right here. And I'm like, I kind of want to compare. They're not at all the same. Like, that's not what I'm saying at all. But just, like, size-wise, because I think when I got my Delphini, the dolls, like, you have to remember, at the time, my sculpts were hollow and soda pop. And then, hi, baby. I think I do like the single joint vibe better, but we'll see. She's a bit loosey-goosey. Actually, yeah, her, I don't know, maybe these knees are I can't tell if they snap in. I don't think my old ones did that. Anyways, what was I saying? Lost the thought. Oh yeah, at the time, a lot of the dolls I was collecting were like True Love BJD, Gem of Doll. So in comparison, Frapzilla felt tiny, but now that like I collect mostly small artist dolls, a lot of the dolls are smaller. Not all of them, but a lot of them. So I don't think she seems that small anymore. Go figure. Alright, and then this is the head. Hi, baby. Oh my god. Okay. I'm so happy. Oh. Oh, just like little foam pieces and stuff. Oh, she's so cute. Let me break her. Oh my gosh. I love the ears. And I didn't get Delphini too because I was like, oh, the ears they're gonna be a nuisance. But now I'm like, give me all of the ears. And these are so interesting. I don't know why I thought it was thicker at the top, but like the thickest part's actually at the bottom. It's really interesting. She's very cute. Okay. Before I put her head on, I'm just gonna make a mess of my messy desk. Okay, so it's very obviously a prototype. It's not even the last version, it's the second to last version, so don't look at it too hard, okay? And the knees are chipped. But, And the shoulders aren't in as much as they're supposed to be. Okay, like there's a lot. This is not it, okay? Don't talk to me and my son. But, again, perhaps I have samples by now over on Maine, but perhaps I don't. Okay, so this is my most recent body that I'll be having for pre-order up in February. So this is my petite body, because petite. So, yeah, look at that! Like, obviously not, at all similar in the sculpting, I don't think, but, like, as far as, like, the size, I really thought she was so tiny, guys, like, but, like, proportion-wise, they're pretty, she's leaning back a lot, but they're pretty similar. Actually, Delphini's a little taller, but mine has a bigger head, so they probably would be the same height, all said and done, but, I feel like these are different knees because I feel like the locks are working better. Does she squat? I know she had pictures of like doing a wide-legged squat. She's loose though. I did know that she is a bit loosey-goosey, and that's okay. Oh, she will squat. Yeah. Her she wants to fall back, but she would squat. She's very sturdy. Okay. Okay. I don't know if I prefer the single joint thigh. I haven't decided, but I'm gonna put her head on. I also really thought she had magnet hands, but not all dolls have to have magnet hands, especially when the hands are tiny. I actually have non-magnet hands for my petite body. She's so much thicker than I remember. Like obviously she hasn't changed. It's the same sculpt, but like my perception based on the dolls I collect has changed. And the dolls I make, because now in the world of artist BJDs, Hollow and Soda Pop are huge. They are so tall. Like, they are tall girls. Versus, like, Junie Penelope, Fig and Fennel need a new body, but they're going to be smaller as well. Oh my god. I guess I could have put eyes in her. Where are my eyes? Ooh! I have some clothes I just made, too. Like, it's supposed to be a t-shirt, just so you know. It's, I mean, it could also pass as, like, a 1/8 scale sweater. It was meant to be, like, a half sleeve, but... And I made this hoodie. I don't know. And this, like, skirt, and it has this top. But I actually don't think... Where's the top that goes with it? I don't think she'd be chesty enough for it. Oh, here's the top. No, I think... Oh, maybe. Like, I made this little set. I made these pants, but her thighs are going to be too big. Same with these. Like, these fit, like, Clover so skinny, so... That's who fits these. Even those I think would be snug, too. Oh, my god. Same with these. All the clothes that are too small. I did make this button up. That's cute. It's supposed to go with... these pants. Like, oh my god, I can't with the cute little outfits. I did make this top and shorts set. Maybe she could wear that. It's not very fall aesthetic. I have this skirt, but I feel like I would rather something a little more low-rise. And these, which I made too small for her, they fit Clover okay, but... And then a mesh shirt, but I think just based on what I've got directly beside me, I'm going to try this. And then I have a box of eyes here. I also made shoes recently, so maybe she can have a pair of those. I'm just like, here, have all the things I've made today. Not today, but... maybe brown eyes? What size do we think she takes? 10 millimeter? Oh, these are pretty, okay. They're like a black-brown. Very like the Clover full set eyes, but why did I put that on first? Because, yeah, I definitely want her to be baby. I don't have time to paint her today. Probably not even this week. Oh, yeah, these are great for her, though. Okay, those are hers. And my blue tack is, of course, over there. should I also try and find her a wig? One over here. And then shoes for just, oh my god. For dropping things. She's got her flat feet. I don't think this one had heel feet, but I made these like little Vans. That could be cute. I think, yeah. Oh, I've got these too. Actually, I think these are better for the outfit. They're not beautiful, okay, but they're just like pink Uggs. They're not great, okay? I'm still figuring it out. I'm still like trying to learn, okay? Shoemaking is like, I give my shoemaking a 3 out of 10. And I hate doing it because I get super glue all over my fingers. I actually think at this moment, I actually hate making shoes more than I hate making wigs. I just don't have a shoemaking guy like I have a wig making guy, so I'm more determined to teach myself. But I'm also like, oh my god, she's so cute. Okay, stop it. It should have been you all along, baby. Oh my gosh. Okay, except for now the stick. I remember this last time that I could never get the blue tack to stick to this resin. Oh my god. I just had a flashback of that. What did I use? Because yeah, the blue tack does not stick, and I don't know if it's the type of like the resin. Because I remembered maybe this line it was like a glowy resin. I feel no, they ended up not running those, but she changed casters. Let me try the blue tack again after a little bit. Oh my god, it doesn't stick. That's crazy. Okay, I think we can use an unopened pen instead of my hands. No, it doesn't stick. Oh my god, what did I do before? It's giving a bit Aurora, so I don't know if I'm mad. I don't know. I feel like maybe she needs a couple long pieces in the front, and it would look like Aurora, and it'd be kind of cute. But I don't like how her ears are sticking out so far past the hair. It's a bit weird. But I'm going to rock with it for right now. I'll probably have to restring her at some point too. But she is super cute, and I actually like her a lot better than I liked Lupi. They're both really cute, but Sad Baby is definitely more my vibe. Oh, but yeah, let me know what you think. Yeah, she's super cute. If you're already subscribed, thanks so much for subscribing. If you're new here, I hope you like the content and consider subscribing. If we hit 1,000 by the end of the year, there will be a giveaway for this channel, so just remember that. Same with over on Maine, if I hit 10,000, a giveaway there, and on TikTok, if I hit 10,000, a giveaway there. If I do all 3 by the end of the year, bonus giveaways. Yeah, that's basically it. But yeah, I guess as always, I hope you have a fantastic day.